Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out. So I got it. Okay, let me show you something real quick. Let me turn the camera around. Look, so I'm in my bedroom. Okay, and I just got a payment for $572. Okay, and I'm using Google Chrome here. Okay, now how many of you have ever used Google Chrome? Now listen, Safari will not work for this. Okay. You have to use Google Chrome. It's a loophole that you can use right now to make this amount of money that just came into my PayPal account. This is proof. Hello, this is real money here. And I'm going to show you how to do this very simply and quickly from your iPhone, Galaxy phone, doesn't matter if you're brand new. So check it out. This is the site you got to go to. Okay, look, go to the site. Now, I suggest to watch the video first because for you to learn this information faster, you need to watch it first, gather the information, then play the video again, then follow along. Does that make sense? Now listen, if you choose to say, well, I'm not going to listen to Wesley, I'm just going to watch it and do it with him, well, you may make $0. I'm going to be honest, because you're not coachable. Take your time, watch it first, okay? And this is absolutely free. I know some of you are like, it's not free, it's not free. Whatever. It is free because I'm doing it, and I know teenagers that are doing this right now. And as a matter of fact, it's not my tip. It's a tip that I discovered on the internet because I'm always looking for more ways to make money online. And I'm telling you, this works if you're willing to do the work. Okay. So listen, I want everybody to comment these words below. I can do this. Okay. Look at that view. I can do this. Actually, look at my feet. Look at my feet. Okay. You got to believe deep in your soul that this is very possible. Okay, so look, you're going to go to furpection.com, and basically this site just allows you to basically become a tester. Let me show you here. Click on become tester here, and you have to use Google Chrome, and I'm going to explain why in a moment here. If you use any other type of browser, you'll make $0. Okay. There are loopholes on the internet that you're just unaware of, but Wesley, billion dollar virgin, I'm going to give you the game. And listen, whether you believe it or not, I really don't care. I'm searching for the people who have an open mind, that's tired of their job, tired of their life, and they want this view, okay? I'm in my bed. Look at that view. Look at that. Houston, Texas, baby. It's gorgeous, okay? And you deserve this as well. So check it out. So this site here is going to pay you PayPal money that I just showed you right here to basically leave your opinion online. Okay? Let me let that sink in. All you need to do, you're going to earn money by leaving your opinion. Listen, you're going to do the same thing that Jennifer has done. Jennifer's earning money is nice, but it goes beyond that. I was able to improve my writing proficiency and discover new sites and applications here. This is Jennifer, a tester, another tester, right? So that's social proof. That lets you know that people are actually doing this on this site to become a paid tester, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the steps here. Is everybody with me here? I'm going to walk you through all the steps so you'll understand what needs to be done, okay? Click on the button that says become a tester. Okay. Now you see what it says checking for browser, because you have to use Google Chrome. Because if you don't, then it's not going to work. Okay. It's not going to work if you don't use Google Chrome, period. Okay. So listen, you need to put your email address in. Can you guys see that? Give me a second. Clean this camera off. Look, guys, I'm using my iPhone doing this video, right? That's how easy it is to make money online. So I'm using my iPhone, not no fancy equipment. Look, so you put your email. We're going to say your email is bighead, okay, that's you, bighead21 at yahoo.com, okay? Whatever your name is, whatever your email is, put it right here, okay? Hit next. I'm going to walk you through this. Can you guys see this? I'm sorry if it's a little bit blurry. I apologize. You know I'm not professional, but I'm here to help you make money, okay? Put your email here. First name. Whatever your first name, it's important to put your actual name here. If you put the wrong name, well, you make $0, okay? Because this is where the PayPal money comes. See here where it says your PayPal email account, okay? So if you want to get this money here, well, you got to make sure that you put the right email here, okay? And once that is done, put your password and hit enter. Hit here, check it in. Enter. See how simple that was? And guys, I apologize. Let me know if you have a broken laptop too. Is it my laptop? I'm rich and I can't even find enough time to buy a freaking laptop. I know, but I can find time to buy Versace wallpaper. Now, is that ridiculous or what? I know. Smash the like button if you have a broken laptop or iPhone as well. It happens. But listen, you know, when you're making a ton of money, sometimes you forget to spend it. Check it out. That's why I just bought a McLaren for no reason, because it was Monday. That's a true story. I'll tell you that later on the channel. Make sure you sub and like this video as well. So look, what is your gender? Okay. Male. Okay. Next, when is my birthday, guys? Okay. Well, I want to be young for the rest of my life, so we're going to say 2020. January 16th is my actual birthday, folks. I'm a young man. I'm 24 years old. Let's go. You know, I'm 24 forever. Okay. Smash the like button if you're going to be young forever, young and rich. Okay. Hit next here. See how easy this is? And make sure you just watch this. Now, don't do it with me. Watch it first, unless it's the second time around here, okay? What country do you live in? So this is for everybody. I get a ton of questions. Wesley, can you create something for my country? Okay. I'm listening to you, okay? This is worldwide. Okay? This is worldwide. Okay? Doesn't matter if you're in Hungary, Iceland, India, Indonesia. It's worldwide, okay? Currently, I'm in the United States of America, okay? The proud state of America here. All right? In my city, everybody knows where I'm from. Comment below if you know where Wesley $1 billion Virgin is from. What's that city? H-Town, baby. Houston, Texas. Let's go. Listen, millionaires are moving to Houston, Texas. They're creating so many millionaires, and I'm helping create a bunch of millionaires here in Houston. I'll talk more about that later. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to be the next millionaire in your city here, okay? Excuse me. Whoa. Ooh, that felt good. All right, let's check it out. So, listen, now this is very important. Once you finish signing up, you must watch this video, okay? I'm not going to play the video because that's going to waste your time and my time. You have to watch the video, okay? Watch this video. After you watch the video, you need to check your email because you're going to get what is called missions and assignments. They're going to give you things such as like IKEA, Best Buy, and do reviews on just crap on their website. And they're going to pay you $5 to $10 per study, okay, automatically. And it's a questionnaire that you got to go through that we just did. They're going to give you one more questionnaire and you're in, okay? But listen, you got to watch this video to do that. And they're going to pay you, they pay every single week, sometime per day, as long as, it depends on how long you've been in it. Now listen, I want to be very transparent with you, okay? There is a way to make this a very automated process. Do you want to know? Does anybody want to know what software that I'm using, my colleagues are using, my predecessors are using, my competition are using to do this on autopilot to earn about $1,000 a day? Now that's $30,000 a month. Now this software is powerful. It's an app, and you can get access to it right now, okay? As a matter of fact, I'm going to put it below. And the only reason why I'm recommending it, because it works, okay? You don't have to get it. But it will make the process easier for you. Okay? If you're a busy person like myself, maybe you got a job, you got kids, and you need something that's going to work a little bit faster here. There it is. I just posted a site below. And what I'm going to do, for anybody that's watching this video for the next 30 days, first 10 people, they get the software, okay? The software is not $1,000, $17. I'm going to be honest. It's $17. Yep. It's a Chick-fil-A meal, right? $17 can potentially put you and your family in another situation financially. I remember the day when I took a leap of faith. I paid more than $17. and my entire world changed. Okay? I used to sleep on the air mattress. I was broke. I've been in jail a few times. Don't judge me. Had bad credit. I lost cars, lost houses. Life sucked in my 20s and in early 30s. But I took a leap of faith. And I had many softwares that changed my life on the internet. Okay? It doesn't matter that I earn between $700,000 and $1 million a month. But what is important is that you, at this moment, have an opportunity to get access to a software that will create everything for you and run it on autopilot. It takes about 10 minutes to set up. I'll leave the link under the video, and it's all yours. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, like God.